In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI on Instagram, all within just 5 minutes. That's right. Whether you're curious about what Meta AI can do for you on Instagram, or you're looking to enhance your social media experience, this guide will lead you step by step through the process. So grab your device and let's get started. First, you'll need to open Instagram on your PC browser. It might be tempting to use the app on your phone, but the functionality we're exploring today requires the desktop version. Go ahead and log in. If you're using an account that has already saved your credentials, double check that your login is secure and your information is up to date. Once you're on the Instagram homepage, direct your attention to the bottom left of the screen. You should see the Also from Meta section. Within this section, you'll find the Meta AI icon. This is your gateway to accessing the powerful features of Meta AI directly from Instagram. Next, click on that Meta AI icon. What happens now is that a chat interface will open up for you. Think of it as unlocking a whole new world of interactive possibilities. This is where you can start to engage with Meta AI by asking questions or giving prompts. Now, let's get interactive. Try typing in a question or a prompt. Simply craft your text as if you're speaking to a smart assistant, because that's precisely what Meta AI is designed to be. After you've entered your text, hit enter and watch how your digital assistant responds. The instant feedback can be both enlightening and entertaining, enabling you to get the information or support you need in real time. But that's not all. If you're feeling creative and want to generate images, you can take it a step further. Type "Imagine" followed by a detailed description of the image you have in mind. Be as vivid as possible with your description, then press send. In a moment, Meta AI will conjure up an image based on your description. It's a remarkable way to bring your imagination to life right there in the chat. Now, one thing to note is if you don't see the Meta AI icon, don't fret. It might simply mean that Meta AI isn't available in your region or specific account just yet. These features are being rolled out gradually, so keep an eye out for updates. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to tap into the capabilities of Meta AI on Instagram. With these steps, you're all set to enhance your social media experience with cutting-edge technology. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy exploring what Meta AI has to offer.